Hey everyone, it's Ellie with Ellie's Mini Schnauzers. And I'm just doing a quick little puppy update. Thought I'd let you guys know that we have decided on a nickname for this sweet little girl. Till she has a forever family to name her for themselves. So we are going with the name Dolly. I think it's classy, it's cute, and it fits her so well. She's almost 12 weeks old and only like 2 pounds, 2.5 ounces. Just teeny tiny. She's the smallest of the puppies. Hi, honey. Yeah, you're a good girl. Oh, those teeth are getting sharp though. Ow. Hi, pretty girl. Don't fall off. Yeah, you stay put. Oh, you're so sweet. Good girl. I thought maybe we'd do a video in the laundry room. Just because my husband thinks that my red couches are getting overused for photos and videos. Hi, Dolly. Oh, you're so sweet. She's incredibly snuggly and so personable. Yeah. Hi. She loves hanging out with my toddler. And they watch cartoons together, which is adorable. Yeah, you do, don't you? Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, you're such a sweetheart. She's gonna be a gorgeous black and silver. So all of these little light spots here are gonna lighten up into white, and the dark is gonna stay black, at least until she gets old. Dogs get gray like people. When we get old, we get gray hairs. Yeah. But that's not gonna happen for a while, is it? Oh, you're such a sweetheart. Oh, she's so soft too. Oh, honey, good girl.